Let's go. I'm so in love with my Cadillac. Grown woman on my grill. I'm so in love with my Cadillac. Look at you, I'm a deal. I'm so in love with my Cadillac.
What up with you, YouTube? Boy, back again. It's been a minute since I recorded something. This new project. My personal stuff. I ain't dealing with somebody else's junk right now. Got that 78 Cadillac Coupe. I'm about to do some interior stuff. Clean it out anyway. That's what she looking like on them factory 30s. So let's see what this interior look like. Bad, but we gotta get this thing in the game as usual. Another Install Customs. We'll give you a little preview of this thing before I actually clean it up. It look bad, but you know, I'm gonna do my little thing, put my little twist on it. This mug been sitting for a minute. Got some cleaning, some shampooing to do. Seat's kind of nasty. But you know, that's what come with the game, man. Buy these old school. You ain't gonna get them in perfect shape. Go around on the other side. You see that thing got the sunroof in it, so that's a plus. Still rocking the factory radio, which will stay in here. Gotta do a console. Custom do that. Yeah. Just did a little tuning up on it. Got it running good. So, you know. Can't make it run good and then it's have it looking good and then it's not running good. So you gotta do your thing. Take care of that engine work first. Make sure she's right. So it's just a little intro to what I got. A new project. It actually looked worse than this, but I kind of wiped down. You see what the steering wheel look like. It's a little cleaner. Real nasty as heck. I had to get a little something clean before I started recording. But did a little cleaning on the front seat, the driver's seat. Look a little better than that passenger. The passenger got some stuff all over it. This need to be cleaned one more time. Actually, a couple more times, but it's on the way. New installment. Personal installment. Last couple I've been doing for somebody else, so I ain't really even been speaking on them. This one here is for me. So I hit you back when I get some cleaning done to this thing. Just wanted to, you know, kick back in, but I ain't holler at y'all in a minute. So that's what it is. I do need to get some tires on this road. Clean these doggone spokes up. See that thing? Got the fillers back there, which is normally gone. All the stuff is still on it. So I need a little rehab, but it's coming. Alright, I'll get back at you. What up with you? Two. Got a little quick one. I know you probably can't see it now because it's a little dark out here. I did a little cleaning on these floor mats, on these door panels. Got it a little bit clean. Still gotta do some more. But look a little better. Seats look good. Back seats. Still got that headliner to do. Cleaned it up. You see.